Okay, I'm going to talk about how to use Desmos and Symbolab and what these two tools can be used for. So I want to start with Desmos. Desmos is a online graphing calculator that's free to use. You don't need to download any software. You don't need to create an account either. And again, it allows you to graph any function or relation that you would like to. So I'll show you how easy this is. Let's say I'm doing lines in Algebra 1. I can just type in the line I'm trying to graph and there it is. Allows me to click on points. I can plot ordered pairs. I can put things in terms of x equals. So really anything that I want to graph, I can graph right here on the Desmos calculator. And you can do really in-depth graphs. I'll show you something that I just did quickly for my students. Mickey Mouse. They were doing a project where they had to come up with an image, any image that they want, creating or using lines that we learned about in class, circles, parabolas, lines, whatever, and make their own image. So very, very powerful tool, very easy to use and free. The other tool that I discussed is Symbolab. So Symbolab is, again, another free online tool, and where I have used it with my students is in calculus when they want to check integrals or derivatives. So for example, if I want to check whether or not I did a certain, let's say, homework question correctly, I can put in the problem that I had in the homework and I can click on go and it can let me know really quickly if I did that problem correctly. And it even shows me some steps. So again, a pretty powerful tool because it's free, easy to use, and it shows me the steps to let me know if I'm doing things correctly. So those are the two tools that I took a look at in this particular unit, Desmos and Symbolab.